How to limit comments on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit your comments on TikTok. So all you need to do is click on TikTok, click on those three buttons up there, click on setting and privacy. First, make sure that your account is not private by clicking on privacy and click on private account and turn it off. Click on privacy and click on comments. Now limit your comments. Who you choose to comment on your videos: friends, no one, or everyone. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.